want to make moringa soup, and I'm just going to pluck some fresh moringa. So I'm going to cut more. It's actually easy to pull out. So this is what it looks like. I have some in the fridge already, so we'll be adding it to it as well. We're making moringa soup my own way, moringa vegetable soup. So I have meat that I've already boiled with the stock. I'm just going to be putting it inside, and then I'll add a little bit of water for us to cook with. This is my pepper mix that I'll be using for this moringa soup. I have onions, I have tatashi, that's paprika, and then I have habanero peppers. Okay, I'm not cooking much soup, so these are what I'm going to use for spicing it up, and I'm going to blend it. So I'm pouring it into the blender, and then I'll add a little bit of water. I'm going to also add my crayfish into this mix because I don't have that time to blend the crayfish separately. But if you have your crayfish that you've blended separately, you can use it. Please get me the crayfish. I have my son here with me. He's assisting me to cook as well. He has removed the moringa leaves from the stem, and I'm just going to put that in, and then I'm going to grind it all together. I did the rough blend. As you can see, it's not smooth, so we'll use it like this. So we're going to check on our meat. It's sizzling. Add our tomato pepper mix. So I'm just going in with that. So I've added some water. Just rinsing it out. So this is smoked bala fish. I'm going to be adding it to the food, but I'm going to wash it, and then I would dismantle some as well as leave some whole like this. Okay, so now I'm adding the fish, and I'll give that a good mix, and then I'll go with my palm oil, and I'll allow that to blend and cook together for a while before adding my moringa leaves and the vegetable. I'm going to be using pumpkin leaves, aka ugu leaves. Okay, you can also use spinach, or you can decide to skip that because I have a lot of moringa leaves. With my palm oil, that's okay. So this is what it looks like now. I'm just going to allow this to cook for a while before I go in with our veggies. Let me test it and see how it tastes. So now I'm going to cut. These are my moringa. My son was the one that helped me pluck the fresh ones. I just did. That's this ones here. Put the video over here so they can see the one you did. This is the one he did, and then this is the one I had in the fridge before now. This one. So this is the one I had in the fridge before now. I'm just going to cut that a bit. You can actually cook it like that without having to cut it, but I just want to cut it. So I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done cutting. These are pumpkin leaves. We're going to be adding just a little pumpkin leaf to the moringa. Okay, so I'm just going to wash. So I'm going to be adding the moringa here. So I'm going to add the vegetable now. Now I'm adding the pumpkin leaves, and I'll give that a good mix. Taste for pepper, taste for salt, just to make sure that it goes just well with your taste buds. Okay, so our vegetable moringa soup is ready. I'm adding some fish. Remember I said I was going to add some. I will not cut it. So this is it. Our moringa soup is ready. Take a look at that.